Weight loss diet plan for 2 weeks. This diet plan is unique, which you don't have to give up all carbs and fats to lose weight. This diet plan emphasizes on high fiber foods to curb cravings and keep the extra pounds and bay all your life. This plan is flexible for everyone and can be followed as long as you want. Week 1 Weight loss diet. Early morning, 1 apple plus 3 to 4 soaked almonds. Breakfast, 2 egg omelets with 2 whole grain bread slices or whole plate vegetable salad plus 1 glass of vegetable juice of your choice. Mid-morning, 4 walnuts and 2 dates or fruit of your choice. Pre-lunch, 1 plate of preferred salad with vinegar dressing. Lunch, 2 multigrain roti plus 1 bowl brown rice plus 1 bowl dal and 1 bowl low-fat curd. Mid-evening, mint tea mixed with honey. Snack, 1 bowl sprouts bell. Dinner, 1 bowl rice with chicken curry plus 1 bowl low-fat curd or 2 multigrain rotis plus fruit salad. Post-dinner, 4 to 5 pieces of nuts or 1 glass warm low-fat milk. Week 2 weight loss diet. Early morning, 10 ml wheatgrass juice plus 3 to 4 walnuts. Breakfast, 1 bowl mixed fruits, flax seeds and oats porridge or 1 bowl brown rice with pulses plus 1 glass cucumber juice. Mid-morning, 1 glass protein shake with milk. Pre-lunch, 1 bowl minestrone soup with more veggies and less pasta. Lunch, 2 multigrain roti plus 1 bowl vegetable curry or 1 bowl brown rice plus 1 bowl mixed vegetable salad. Snack, 1 fruit of your choice plus 1 cup green tea. Dinner, 1 bowl brown rice with 1 bowl vegetable or chicken curry plus 1 bowl salad of choice or 2 multigrain roti plus 1 bowl mixed pulses curry plus fish curry plus 1 bowl curd. Post-dinner, 1 glass of warm milk. Among diet, workout also plays a major role in weight loss. Set your workout time after or before early morning diet while following these 14-day weight loss diet plan. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.